In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix links not opening in Telegram. If you're having trouble opening links in Telegram, it could be due to a temporary app glitch or corrupted cache data. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Force close and reopen the Telegram app. Long press the Telegram icon, tap the eye icon from the menu, and then tap the force stop option in the bottom right corner. Enable Telegram's in-app browser. If Telegram is redirecting links to your phone's browser instead of opening them within the app, open the Telegram app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, select Settings, and scroll down to enable the in-app browser. Recheck the app to see if the issue is resolved. Clear data and cache. If the above steps don't help, clearing the data and cache of Telegram is a good solution. Reinstall Telegram. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall Telegram from the App Store or Play Store. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.